Good morning! Breakfast time. This is the first time na nag-breakfast ako without me cooking it. Si Luchi, kasi dito nag-overnight, 2 nights sila dito sa akin. Sinamahan nila ako. So, anyway, ito aking breakfast. Scrambled eggs na natitirang ham. Tsaka may kamatis, sibuyas yan. And guess what? Kaya ako magkakamay. Ito. Langgit. Oh. Ano? Ang sarap na? Oh, grabe. Grabe sa with matching pinakurat. Pinakurat on the side. And kahit may acid reflux ako, wala akong pake. Basta sa umaga, kailangan ko uminom ng kape. Mainit pa. Malinis ang kamay ko, ha? My hands is clean. So, this is how Filipinos are. Ay, Chi, pwedeng paabot ng ano? Yung seasoning. Yung Nor. Yeah. First time ko nag-breakfast na wala akong kasama. Hindi ako nagluto. Thank you. Lagi ako kumakain with Nor. Ay, sarap. Thank you, Luchi. Masarap yung ano. It's so good. This is with kamatis. Sarap. Baka maubos ko to. I eat heavy breakfast because but at the end at night hindi masyado. Hapon ang kinain ko. Sandwich lang. Oh my gosh. It's so crispy. The reason why I have this one, because my husband is not here. So, all the candles, you'll see in the picture, all the candles has, what do you call this? I lit all the candles. That includes my Jo Malone candles. Para it will not smell inside my house. I can't stand a smelly room and a smelly house. That's why I always have a fragrant. My big sister Beam sent me fragrance, but I'm gonna put that in the office. Kasi dito ang dami na. Somebody is ano. Ang sarap. So today, no oras na ba? Mag-8. Oh my gosh, I have to leave by. I'm accompanying a client in IRS at 10 o'clock. It's only like 10 minutes away from my house. So, kasi samahan ko dahil sinisingil sila, bayad na sila. So sabi ko, dalhin nila lahat ng paperworks at we have to straighten down that the one that they're charging her is already paid off. I don't know. Minsan, mali din. Baka may human error sa part ng IRS. Hindi nila na-record. It happened. It's so good. Namiss kong kumain ng langgit. Did you hear that? Did you hear the crunchiness? Grabe, sarap. Tap. Kasi ko maglalakad-lakad ako mamaya. Maglakad. Nasubukan ko na maglakad nung doon ko sa Seattle, no? Ilang miles din yun. Iikutin ko lang town center. Saka ito, ang kanin ko, basmati. Pero hindi ko naman uubusin niya. Ito lang, oh. Masarap. Itlog. Yan. Yeah. So guys, if you love watching me eating food, marami akong food eating vlogging. Please like and subscribe para naman po mag-enjoy po kayo. Nasaan na yung aking like and subscribe. Okay, I see you again on my next mukbang. Mukbang tawag ba dito? Yung kumakain ka. Kasi marami pa akong pupunta. May mga bago na namang Thai restaurant daw eh. We'll see. Okay, goodbye and good morning. Like and subscribe.